grab 2 of these red trucks from Dollar Tree. Take your red spray paint, paint them all away. Dollar Tree already has out a lot of their Christmas stuff, so you want to get them before they sell out. Take these wire brush trees, cut the bottom off so it looks like that. Make sure you paint both sides of these and don't forget to take off those tags. This scrap wood came from Dollar Tree as well. It's 2 inches by 12. Take your red spray paint, paint that red too. It's twinkle light time. You know I like these twinkle lights. Take your hot glue, put a dollop of hot glue right here at the end of this 12-inch board, and then just place it right here on top. Take this cord of the twinkle lights, wrap it around once, then start to hot glue them all along this board. Those are tacked down. Now flip this over, grab your hot glue. We're just going to tack this in the middle all the way up the board. Grab those cinnamon sticks, take a piece of cinnamon, put a dollop of hot glue right there on the end, then take your tree and then put this right there and let it set up nice and good. The magic's in the detail. Take a paint pen. We're just going to highlight this with some little stitches all along about every 1/4 of an inch. Let's finish this off. Take your hot glue, put a strip of hot glue all the way down along the side, but make sure you stop where the lights stop. Take this, we're going to place it right here on top of your truck. Make sure you keep it straight from bumper and let this end hang off. 1 more strip of hot glue around this side of the board. Flip this over. Make sure you get it all lined up. You don't want it cattywampus. I can't decide if I like this Santa Claus tree ornament I picked up at Dollar Tree or not. Look at that face. Does it get any creepier than that? Take your hot glue, put a dollop of hot glue right here on the back of Santa. Now, for the fun part, I'm going to put this right here in the front. I cannot wait for you to see how this turns out. Christmas tree time. Don't forget to use the cinnamon for the trunk. Just place this in the back of the truck. Now let's put this into place. Look how awesome this Dollar Tree Christmas DIY turned out. I got the Christmas tree, the wooden truck cutouts, the Santa Claus, even the twinkle lights came from the Dollar Tree. Let's turn those lights on in 3, 2, wow! Be sure to check the comments. I'll post a photo of this lit up tonight after the sun goes down. And you guessed it, if I can do this, you can do this. Wow, I cannot wait to see this at night.